This is exam 1, problem 4. You can read the entire problem on T-squared, but this is part A. So, what is the net force on the mass in the instant after you release it? Next, I wrote down all the given information. Mass is equal to 0.05 kilograms, the spring stiffness, the relaxed length, and the stretched length. Then I drew a diagram to accompany the situation. Then I determined what equation to use and decided to use F net equals spring force plus the force of gravity. Then I plugged in all the given information and solved for F net. The answer is 0.15 newtons in the y direction. You know it's in the y direction because it's hanging vertically. Finally, you can write your answer in vector form. You know that the only change was in the y direction. Part B of question 4 asks, what is the new velocity of the mass 0.01 seconds after you release it from rest? In this part of the problem, you can use the momentum principle and rearrange it in order to solve for final velocity. Again, you can just plug in the numbers from the previous problem. You can also use your F net that you found in part A. And the final part of this problem is part C. What is the new net force acting on the mass 0.01 seconds after release? First, you have to find the displacement of the object. You can use the velocity that was found in part 2 in order to do this. In order to solve for the F net, you can use the same process you used in part A, except now using the new displacement. You simply just plug in the numbers, and that will give you your net force.